What's up, everybody, man? Let's go travel right next door right quick and let's see what all kind of stuff we got up over there to crush or whatever. So I gotta get out here on this main street, then work my way down there to the back. So now I gotta wait for these two clowns right here to come by first, then I can be able to take off. Golly, y'all, I'm so ready to go home, man. I really am. I'm ready to go home and just relax. Let's go see what all stuff we can find back y'all. See what we got to play with back y'all. I think Cowboy was here last time, I believe. He was crushing the big old calves here. So I think the last time he was in this spot here, or it could have been next door on the other side. I'm not 100% sure. Let's see what we got, man. There go my crusher right there. Let's see what we got here, y'all. What do we have? Dude, wait. Man. Oh my God. Y'all look at all these goddamn calves I gotta crush, man. I'm finna show y'all in just a sec. I got calves and buses to crush. There go the calves right there. And there go the buses back there in the back. Oh my God, y'all. I guess I'm gonna have a field day with some of this. Wow. Field day time. Field day time. Let's see what else, man. Let's see what else. I wanna know what's on the other side of these buses right quick. If there's any more over there is getting crushed. Backside. See how many is it? Oh, damn. Oh my God, these mugs is full of trash. Jesus Christ. Man. They are full of trash. Oh my. Woo, man. Wait, man. Wait. Oh, this is a bumpy place here. It is really, really bumpy. Alrighty, y'all. Y'all see what I got to crush. So, this is what it is, y'all. It is what it is. Look like we're about to have some FUN. With some goddamn shout outs on these. I still got a couple more shout outs to do today. I will get back with y'all, man. Peace.